Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Elon Musk is highly confident SpaceX will land humans on Mars by 2026. SpaceX CEO Elon Musk said he is highly confident that the company will land humans on Mars in about 6 years from now. If we get lucky, maybe 4 years, Musk said, speaking on an award show webcast from Berlin, Germany on Tuesday. 1 December 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Alyssa Carson. Best of 2019, meet Alyssa Carson, the 18-year-old training to become the first human on Mars. At just 3 years old, Alyssa Carson knew she wanted to be an astronaut, and since then, she's worked tirelessly. Carson could soon become the first human to set foot on Mars, even if it means never returning back to Earth. The 26th of July 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
The private spaceflight company is on track to launch its first uncrewed mission to Mars in as little as 4 years from now, SpaceX's founder and CEO Elon Musk said Friday, October. SpaceX is also planning to use Starship for missions to the Moon starting in 2022, as well as point-to-point trips around the Earth. 17 October 2020.
Take our lead.
Your names fly to Mars aboard NASA's next Mars rover. It has more than 10 million passengers on board, at least in name form, stenciled on tiny chips affixed to the Mars 2020 rover, which launched to Mars on July 30, 2020. Members of the public have been able to send their names to Mars with every Mars rover.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.